Can you solve this problem? Pause the video and think about it. A lot of students say, so 6 squared is 36, right? And then divided by 2 times 3, which is 6. So divided by 6 plus 4. So 36 divided by 6 gives us 6 plus 4, 10. They would proudly write 10, but no way, it's impossible. Unfortunately, you're not right. This is wrong because you should follow a convention in mathematics that is called PEMDAS. So let me write it down here. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this is a vector. This shows the order of operation. This shows the priority. So here we have the highest priority, and here we have the lowest priority. So whenever you see the parentheses, go for that. Then exponents, then multiplication and division, they have the same priority, probably the most important part. Multiplication and division, they have the same priority. First come, first serve. Whichever you see go from left to right. The same can be said with addition and subtraction. Now let's solve it correctly according to PEMDAS. Do we have parentheses here or not? So think about it. Probably this is the most important trap because that's the trap you fell for, right? 10, that was a trap. You thought, okay, I know PEMDAS. PEMDAS gives us parentheses as the highest priority. Okay, let's do this at first. 2 times 3, 6. But this is not true. That would be true if 2 was also inside the parentheses. Then you could evaluate this. But do we have something to evaluate inside the parentheses? Always ask yourself this question. Yes, we have the parentheses in PEMDAS, but there must be something inside to be evaluated. Inside this example, there is just a single-digit number. There is nothing to evaluate. And that's the trap that you fell for, probably. So we can just simply remove the parentheses. We can write it as 6 squared divided by 2 times 3, yes, plus 4. Now, according to PEMDAS, we don't have any parentheses. We have the exponent. So let's do the exponent first. 6 squared, 36, divided by 2 times 3 plus 4. So we have division and multiplication. First come, first served, from left to right. If you do this at first, you would end up with the wrong answer. You can't say, okay, do 2 times 3. No, it's not possible. So you should go from left to right. 36 divided by 2 gives us 18. And then times 3 plus 4. 18 times 3 gives us 54 plus 4. And the final answer is 58. And now, your challenge, should you accept it, is, so what would be the answer if 3 and 4 were inside the brackets or the parentheses? So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you haven't already. See you on our next video.